Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by preparing the keyboard environment so you don't interrupt system services. First, make sure the laptop is off or asleep before you touch connectors or clean keys. This prevents accidental inputs. Next, plug a wired USB keyboard or enable Bluetooth pairing on the laptop and the external device. Check battery percentage and put the keyboard in pairing mode. Finally, keep driver files ready on a USB drive or confirm automatic driver install so the system recognizes the device quickly. Once connected, you'll configure key behavior and shortcuts to match your workflow. Open settings and navigate to keyboard to select layout, set the key repeat rate, and add language inputs. This changes how the device interprets presses. If available, run the manufacturer's utility to assign function key behavior, program macros, and set per key lighting or profiles. Then test every key in a text editor to verify registration, if keys repeat or miss. Adjust debounce and repeat settings until input feels consistent. To finish, save your keyboard profiles and backup settings so you can restore them quickly later. Make sure firmware and the laptop OS are updated, then reboot to apply changes and confirm behavior. If something goes wrong, start troubleshooting. Check the cable or Bluetooth connection, try another USB port, and reinstall drivers. If the keyboard still fails, test it on a different device to isolate hardware versus laptop issues. This step tells you whether to repair or replace the keyboard.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.